Data management. Data management is the practice of keeping, collecting, and using data securely, efficiently, and cost-effectively. Data management is the abilities you use to effectively manage and use information.
Hello Philippines and hello world. By the way, this is Marvel Makatambad, your small but terrible host for today's game show, the Amazing Race, the Data Management Edition. Here's the mechanics for this game. Players, please listen carefully. The game is so easy for competitive players like you. All you have to do is to know the color that is hidden in my hand. But for you to know that color that is hidden in my hand, you have to undergo some stages and challenges that each player and to the last player should accomplish. And it is to answer every question on that paper. But because I love you guys, along with those questions are also clues. If you will win, you will get 1 million cash, house and lot, and a brand new car. So good luck everyone. So now, let's officially start the game. A z-score is a numerical measurement that describes a value's relationship to the mean of a group of values. Z-score is measured in terms of standard deviations from the mean. If a z-score is 0, it indicates that the data point's score is identical to the mean score. Z-score indicates how much a given value differs from the standard deviation. The z-score or standard score is the number of standard deviations a given data point lies above or below mean. Standard deviation is essentially a reflection of the amount of variability within a given data set. The formula for calculating a z-score is this, where x is the row score, mu, which is the population mean, and the lowercase sigma that stands for the population standard deviation. As the formula shows, the z-score is simply the raw score minus the population mean divided by the population standard deviation. So now, player 1, Ms. Ortiz, please get the question and answer it.
So the question is, can you give me an example on what I discussed, which is the z-score? Z-scores are often used in academic settings to analyze how well students score compared to the mean score on a given exam. For example, suppose the scores on a certain college entrance exam are roughly normally distributed with a mean of 82 and a standard deviation of 5. If a certain student received 90 on the exam, we would calculate their z-score to z times u over sigma. To simplify, 90 is our given value minus 82, which is our mean of population, plus 8, then divide to 5, which is our standard deviation. Then the answer would be 1.6 is our z-score.
Correct! So this is your clue to the next level. They are sitting on me on 90 degrees.
I knew it. It's chair?
I found the one. The first question, what is measure of variation? The measure of variation describe the width of a distribution. They define how spread out the values are in a data set. They're also referred to as measures of dispersion, and also measure of variation. There are 4 types: the range, the interquartile range, the variance, and also the standard deviation. The next question is, I am a perfect circle where you put your food to eat and feel better.
Since we talk about measure of variation, before hearing Ms. Liaño's answer to our clue, let's have an educational advertisement from teacher Maria Isabel Maambong.
The more I write, the more it lessens the pages of the notebook. The less I drink water, the lesser I went to the bathroom. Those scenarios are examples of variation. Another example is the range of 73, 79, 84, 87, 88, 91, and 94 is 21. It's because 94 minus 73 is 21.
So, welcome back everyone. Now, second player, Miss Lianyo. What is the clue?
What is this? I need to read. I am a perfect circle where you put your food to eat and feel better. I think this is plate. Oh, round plate.
Yes, hello. Plate? Plate? What is box and whisker plot? Describe box or whisker plot. The box and the whisker plot, sometimes simply called the box plot. It is a type of graph that help visualize the 5-number summary. It is especially useful for indicating whether a distribution is skewed and whether there are potential unusual observations in the dataset. This figure shows the shape of a box and whisker plot and the position of the minimum, lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and the maximum. In a box and a whisker plot, the left and the right side are the lower and the upper quartiles. The box covers the entire quartile interval, where 50% of the data is found. The vertical line that split the box in two is the median. Sometimes, the mean is also indicated by a dot or a cross on the box plot. The whiskers are the two lines outside the box that go from the minimum to the lower quartile, which is the start of the box, and then from the upper quartile, which is the end of the box, to the maximum. You will cook your rice on me. Please don't overheat me. Caldero? Kalan? Rice cooker?
Oh, there is it. Why do we use box and whisker plot? And when to use it? Oh my god, I forgot to answer. Oh! So why do we use them? So box and whisker diagrams allow us to read the data very effectively and easily. It summarizes the data from multiple sources and displays it in a single graph. Oh, it helps us to make an effective decision as it compares the data from different categories. Yes, and when to use box and whisker plot. The box and whisker plot is used if we have multiple datasets from different sources which are related to each other. For example, a test score between the classroom. Oh, there's a clue here in the back. I am at 93 million miles from the Earth. What am I? Sun? Sun equals to yellow. So, the paper means color yellow. Yeah, that's right.
Okay, are you sure, last player, Mr. Magbuto? Now I think it's time to reveal the hidden color. The color of the paper on my hand is... Congratulations! The color in my hand is color yellow. Congrats, winners! You win 1 million cash house and lot and a brand new car. Congratulations!
The right answer, yay!
Yes! I win!
Yay! I won! Yeah.
Huh? 1 million? Okay, thank you! Thank you very much. Thank you.
Players, I hope you enjoy, as well as our viewers today. I hope you enjoy watching and at the same time learning some ideas about the data management. Once again, this is your host, Manvel Makatambad, in this game show, Amazing Race, the Data Management Edition. Bye everyone!